Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about remix files. As you can see, I've added two more items here, Framify dark mode only and Framify light mode only. So basically Framify starter file offer you something like you can create a dark mode and light mode combination. So I will explain it later on. And with the dark mode only, you can just create dark mode files, okay? Dark mode websites. And with the light mode only, you can create light mode website. So let me tell you with an example. So this is the starter file, which have both version, the light mode, I mean both options, dark and light. So let me open this. I will add one component here. So I'm gonna add this one, client logo V16, not this one, V14. Okay. So now if I change its mode from light to dark, as you can see, it will adapt the dark mode as well. Okay. But if I publish here and click update and open a new tab, as you can see, I don't have any option to change its mode from light to dark because this is the Framer dashboard. So we can do that. But for our customers, for our users, we cannot do that. Okay. So our users cannot change the theme. Okay. So how we are going to do that? So you have to come to this website. This is theme toggle system.framer.website. And you have to copy the component. There are three components. Okay, you can copy any of them which you like. So I'm gonna use this one, copy, and going to paste this here. And if I click publish, update, so now as you can see, this is the toggle component. So if I click here, as you can see, it changes from light to dark. Okay, so you can customize it by double clicking it and unlinking. So you can customize this. You have the options from here. You can do whatever you want. Okay. So this is how the Framify starter file works. So let me tell you about Framify dark mode only. So I'm gonna just click confirm. I will open a plugin. So you don't need to make any changes. Okay. So let me just add this one, service with 32. Click to insert, and boom. As you can see, it will automatically adapt the colors. Okay. So you don't need to, but you can customize the colors from here. Okay. So this is going to be a game changer for you people. So this is the component, you have to customize it and add cursor. Okay. So in the same way, the starter file or light mode file works. So if I click to insert, so everything will get in light mode. Okay. So nothing will change. You cannot even change its mode from light to dark. Okay. As you can see, it will only work with the light mode. So let me tell you why you should use the light mode only and the dark mode only, because sometimes a user, if I open a setting from here and click appearance, so as you can see, this is the mode if a user is having a setting for the dark mode. Like, so if I come here and if I come to this website and open it, so you will see it will automatically adapt the browser setting. Okay. So if I change my settings from here, so as you can see, it will automatically adapt that. So this is why, because sometimes the tellers, if you have not managed properly, so you will get in trouble. Okay. So something like you forgot to add the text style. Let's suppose I add this one. and I will set it's more from light to dark, okay? So let me tell you what problem I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is not showing. So you have to properly use our system. I mean, the colors we have created for you people. So you have to choose, you have to choose those color, okay? So you cannot choose random colors. So this will create a problem for you. So if I come here and now you don't have any problem, okay? So you can use this one, or you can use the lower dark, lower light, okay? So it's up to you, okay? So now I hope you have understood like how these files work, okay? So I would highly recommend if you are creating the both system or integrating both system like both themes, you want to show the light version as well and the dark version as well. So I would highly recommend using our Framify starter file. And if you are planning to use only dark version, you are going to build the dark mode only website, so I will highly recommend using dark mode only starter file. And I will also recommend using the light mode if you are only using the light version. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, make sure you contact us at contact@framify.design, and you can also contact us through this customer support form. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.